I think they need to move it inside the stadium next time. That crowd was ridiculous. Now it's coming up to Easter weekend, so you know the party scene turn up. Here's the intense party listing.
Kaluga Cafe turns 3, so the celebration will be on Wednesday, April the 12th, 2017 at 8 p.m. on the grounds of Kaluga Cafe, 18 West Street, Olava.
So what is going to make Alka Vibes this time around intense?
As usual, you understand, two of the top entertainers, I don't know Alkaline and Vibes Cartel, I don't know people ever compare them, I don't know, and them basically around the place right now in terms of lyrics, and you don't know it's not gonna normal.
Unity in the City, it's an event put on by SWAT Business and some members of JCDC, and it's a peace initiative where we're bringing down Travis Green and having Papa San, Kevin Downs. Well,
Carnival is the premier event in St. Thomas, premier carnival in the East. It's our 4th staging.
So the admission is $800 per person and $1,400 couple all night.
Nice.
And it will be at the Robert Lightburn Playfield.
Good Friday Sports Fair Party, Olympia Crown Hotel, featuring the Bad Girls at Dancehall right now, which is Cher, Renee 6:30, and we have Star Twins also featuring, right?
This Easter Monday, April 17, Chunky Monkey Entertainment comes up with a cooler party called Wakiki.
Nice.
It's all about Father Will's Rum Thursday anniversary at Mile Gully Square, Gully Side Lawn, 13th of April. People lock the date.
Portland Easter Fest, we said it's a family fun day, but it's really entire fun day for the people of Portland, for the entire Jamaica to come out and have fun. We have a great lineup. We have Bunty Killer, Master Griffiths, Romaine Virgo, we have The Angel, we have Shansia, which is not on the billboard that you see going on. We have a lot of surprises.
As we always say, party intensely, but please drink responsibly. And if you haven't gotten your costume as yet, get it now. We're ready for the road.